Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Cloverly local and long-distance movers. Near me, as long-distance shifts require more planning and manpower, they also require more trucks and resources to complete the shift. However, our firm is certified and legally permitted to conduct long-distance or international shifts. In addition, our movers have years of experience, so they know the legal requirements and are aware of shortcuts to complete a long-distance shift in less time. And keeping your belongings as a major concern. Our movers use specific tools to handle your delicate, edgy, or heavyweight items. That help prevents any damage or wears and tear. But additionally, we provide insurance on products that are shifted through us, meaning in case of any wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us without any extra charges. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cloverly moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.